In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock a document in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the File tab up top left over here, and then you want to go to Document Properties here, and you want to go into Security. Now, inside Security, where it says Security Method, currently, as you can see, there's no security, so that means I actually have all the permissions to basically edit and change anything. So if you want to change this and lock your document, click on No Security and change it over to Password Security. Now, after that, it's going to open up a new dialog box over here where basically you can put on passwords for different things. So if you want to require a password to open the document, you can do this check mark here, and then you can give it a password that you actually want to use to be able to, of course, open the document. So if you send it to somebody, or if you just want to open it up yourself, the next time you do it after saving, you'll have to basically enter in the password, and that way you've locked your document. Of course, the second thing you can do here is also restrict editing and printing. So if you want to do that as well, you could go ahead and, of course, just type in a password and lock this as well. So, of course, these two things don't have to be together, so you can do one or the other, so it doesn't really matter. Of course, completely up to you. And then down here, you can set additional permissions regarding printing, changing, copying, stuff like that. Whenever you're happy, click on OK, and then here, as you can see, it's going to say the document open and permissions password cannot be the same. So apparently I have to put this one a different password. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. I can press OK, and I can press OK again. Now, as you can see now, nothing really changed. That's because I haven't saved the document yet. So I'm going to save this right now. And now over here at the top, as you can see, it's got kind of a lock. Now, what this means is the document is actually locked. However, right now it's unlocked. But if I close it down, if I go to File, open it back up again, as you can see, it's going to prompt me to enter in the password. So I'm just going to type in the password, press OK, and now the PDF will open. If you want to unlock it from here, you'll have to go and do the exact same thing again. You could just go to Protect up here, and then Security Properties. And from here, you can go from password security to no security again, press yes, and then in here, you want to type in the password, okay, and then again, it's going to basically say that it's password protected, there we go, and then okay, and there we go. If I save it, the lock is gone, and we've successfully unlocked the document. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.